The 5 best and worst trade jobs for 2025, what to chase and what to ditch. 1. Worst, coal mining. Tough work, tough people. But the future isn't kind to coal. Jobs in coal mining have dropped by half in the last decade. Renewable energy is eating the market alive. Pay still looks decent at $60K, $80K. Job security? About as steady as a ladder missing a lock. So what does that actually mean? Plan your exit now, before the mine closes first. Footnote. Coal mining jobs are shrinking rapidly under renewable energy pressure. 2. Worst, print press operators. Once kings of publishing. Now replaced by automation and digital platforms. Median salary sits around $37K. That was fine in 2005. Today, it lags behind fast food managers. Even packaging presses are turning robotic. It's not just newspapers dying, it's the machines doing the printing. Footnote. Print-related trades are collapsing under automation and digital substitution. 3. Worst, basic construction labor. This isn't about electricians or carpenters. It's the guys moving bricks, hauling debris, doing general grunt work. Outsourced, automated, and underpaid. $15 to $18 an hour with no benefits. Bodies wear out fast, knees sooner. The lesson? Specialize. Otherwise you'll be sore, broke, and stuck. Footnote. Non-specialized construction work offers low wages and high physical toll. 4. Worst, telephone line installers. Once solid careers. Now shrinking 21% through 2031. Landlines are fading, fiber and wireless are taking over. Every repair today removes one more reason for tomorrow's job. It's maintenance without a future. Footnote. Declining demand for landlines is killing the trade. 5. Worst, small engine repair. Think lawnmowers, leaf blowers, chainsaws. Gas engines are out, electrics are in. And nobody repairs a $200 electric mower, they just replace it. Even veteran shops are closing. Pay shrinks with the market. This is a race already lost. Footnote. Small engine repair trades are collapsing as consumer products shift to disposable electrics. 6. Best, plumbing. Water flows, waste flushes. Always. Add in smart homes and ecosystems and plumbing gets more complex, not less. Median salary, $59K. Master plumbers pull $80K, $100K plus. With a contractor's license, $150K, $300K is real. And emergency calls? That's double-time gold. You can't ship this job overseas. You can't download an app to fix a burst pipe. Footnote. Plumbing combines timeless demand with high income potential. 7. Best, solar installation. Green energy is booming. Projected growth, 63%. Median pay is $47K, but skilled installers hit $70K plus. Run your own company and the ceiling is $200K, $500K. Physically active but sustainable long term. It's fixing panels, not breaking your back. Footnote. Solar installation offers rapid growth and strong entrepreneurial upside. 8. Best, HVAC Technicians. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning. Climate change means more extreme weather. Extreme weather means more HVAC calls. Median pay, $51K. Skilled techs earn $80K, $100K plus. Contractors run businesses clearing $250K, $400K. And here's the kicker, HVAC is recession-proof. Comfort doesn't wait. Footnote. HVAC offers stability, adaptability, and strong entrepreneurial rewards. 9. Best, Data Center Technicians. Every Netflix stream, every Instagram post, every Zoom call runs through data centers. These facilities need technicians. Median pay, $60K. Senior techs, $90K 120K plus. Contractor specialists, $300K 600K. This is mechanics for the internet. And the internet isn't shrinking. Footnote. Data center trades tie into long-term digital expansion. 10. Best, elevator installers and repairers. Skyscrapers rise, elevators ride. Median salary, $84K. Experienced union techs, $100K 150K plus. Contractors, $400K 800K. Specialized work, high barriers to entry, and constant demand. It's quiet, stable, and highly profitable. Think of it as the hidden trade empire. Footnote. Elevator repair remains one of the highest paying specialized trades. 11. The bottom line. Some trades fade. Others thrive. The pattern is clear: avoid dying markets, chase essential services and green or tech-heavy trades. Mediocre effort won't cut it. The future belongs to those who master their craft. So what does that actually mean? Pick the trade that grows, commit to being excellent, and you'll make bank. Pick wrong, or stay average, and the future will leave you behind. Footnote. The long-term winners are specialized, growth-driven trades.